This recipe is perfect for a quick breakfast, a tasty snack, or even a delightful dessert. And the best part? It's super simple to make. We'll prep our wet ingredients. In a large mixing bowl, whisk together the yogurt, softened butter, vanilla extract, sugar and egg. Make sure everything is nicely combined. On a cutting board, roughly chop your walnuts. In a separate bowl, we'll combine all our dry ingredients. That's the flour, salt, baking soda, baking powder, cinnamon, and chopped walnuts. Give it a good whisk to make sure everything is evenly distributed. We're going to slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet mixture. You can use a spatula, but be gentle. We don't want to overmix the batter. Just fold it in until there are no more streaks of flour. All right, our batter is looking beautiful. Now grease a loaf pan with some butter or cooking spray and line with parchment paper. Pour the batter evenly into the pan and use a spatula to smooth out the top. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 165 degrees Celsius and bake for 1 hour and 30 minutes. While our loaf bakes, why don't we chat a bit? This recipe is super versatile. You can swap out the yogurt for applesauce if you prefer. Want to add some extra flavor? Try a teaspoon of nutmeg into the dry ingredients. Time to check on our masterpiece. Insert a toothpick into the center of the loaf. If it comes out clean, we're good to go. If not, bake for a few more minutes and keep checking. Once the loaf is done, take it out of the oven and let it cool completely on a wire rack before slicing. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for. Slice that bad boy up. Plate it with a dollop of yogurt, a pat of butter, drizzle of honey. This cinnamon nut loaf is pure comfort food heaven. See?